I'm going to explain how to edit items on the takeoff sheet here and how to delete them. So in order to edit items, the simple way to do it is just click on the line that you want to edit. And if you click the edit button here, it'll let you edit the line. If you click delete, it will delete the line. In this case, I'm going to delete it just so you see how to do it. So I'll click the delete button. You'll notice the line disappears. Next, you have to click the save button to save your deletion. Now, again, always click delete save. Okay, here's how you do multiple lines. I'll click on a line that I want to edit. And let's say I want to edit several more lines. I hold down the control button and I just click on each line that I want to edit there. Okay, and don't pay attention to this. This is a certain instruction that comes with Google Chrome. You might not be using Google Chrome, so you won't always see this on here. But you highlight the items that you want to by holding down the control button on your keyboard and clicking on each separate line. You highlight many lines there. Now, if I click the delete button, it'll delete all these lines. If I click edit, you might have to click it twice. In this case, I did. If I click edit, see how it opens up and allows you to type in these boxes? You could change the description, the quantity, the unit price, or the labor hours. Now, sometimes when I'm doing an estimate and I don't think that there's enough labor maybe for installing a box or doing something specific, I happen to know that's a difficult environment, I might increase the labor. In this example, let's say I think it takes a half an hour to install one of these receptacles. Now, it really doesn't, but understand I'm showing an example how to change it. I'm going to put in 0.5 hours, which is a half an hour. Now, Red Rhino inputs labor based on hundredths of an hour. A lot of times you'll see labor hours at 0.66 or 0.24 or 0.2 numbers. It breaks it down into hundredths of an hour, 0.5 being in half an hour. See how that works? You highlight them, click edit, and then you save your editing. When you click save, you'll see this message here. It says changing this product will change the nature of the product. Now I'll explain that later. I'm just going to click OK and click save again. And that's how you edit or delete several lines of material. I want to point out something else here. Now let's say that you're doing your estimate here and that you actually want to add a line of material, or say you want to add something right here on this line, on line 8. If you want to add it on line 8, you go to the line right below that and highlight it. Now from now on, when you add materials, let me set it up for assemblies here. Let me go over here, click on assemblies, go down the assembly catalog to residential. I'll open the residential catalog. I'll click on receptacles and switches. Let's say that I want to put my next entry right there above that line. So I highlight there. When I make an entry, I'll put in a quantity of 1 and click add. Notice that it goes above where I highlighted. So that's where you can selectively input the materials that you want to put. Next, I just click Save to save my work. Now, let me make another quick observation here. It's another factor about editing. I'm going to put in a quantity of 1 of these assemblies and click Add. Now, notice that these are open dialog boxes. If I want to, I can go in and edit these items before I click Save. Okay? So if I happen to know that these boxes cost 60 cents a piece or $60 per 100, I might drill in here and change the price to 60. And again, you can edit any of these before you click Save. Once you click Save, it'll save your work. And that's how you do editing and deletions in your estimate takeoff.